Welcome to MS class. Today we will discuss about function of class 11. Okay, a function is nothing but a relation from a set, from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B, such that condition, what are the condition? All the elements of set A are associated with the elements of B. All the elements of set A are associated with the elements of set B. Okay, so not a single element should be left out from set A. First condition. Second condition, an element of set A is associated with one and only one element of set B, that is unique. Not more than one element should be associated. Okay. So function is written as f a to b. Relation was written as r a to b, but function is written as f a to b, such that x comma fx, x belongs to the A, fx belongs to b, second set B. Okay. This way it is written. Now see some diagram. With the diagram it will be clear the definition of the function. These are elements of set A, this is the element of set B. This relation is function or not, we have to check. All the elements of set A are associated with the elements of set B. So first condition satisfied. Second is 1 is associated with one element, 2 is associated with only one element, 3 is also associated with only one element. That is, each element of A associated with unique element of B. So this is a function. Second one, all the elements of set A is associated with the elements of set B. So first condition satisfied. But see, 1 is associated with unique elements, 2 is also with unique elements, 3 is also unique elements. So this is a function. Next, see, not all the elements of set A is associated with the elements of set B. So this first condition is not satisfied. So this is not a function. Next, all the elements of set A are associated with the elements of set B. So first condition satisfied. And this is unique. 1 is associated with only one element, 2 is also associated with only one element, 3 is also associated with only one element. But here it is not compulsory that all the elements of B should be associated with the elements of A. No. All the elements of A are associated with the elements of B. That is compulsory. So this is a function. Here see, all the elements of A are associated with the elements of B, but 1 is associated with more than one element. So 1 is associated with A, 1 is associated with B, 1 is associated with C. So this is not a function. Here see, all the elements of set A associated with the elements of B, but 1 is associated with how many elements? 3 elements, more than one element. So this is not a function. So this way you can define the function. Clear? Next, see, image. What is image and pre-image? This is a function from A to B. X belongs to A and X is associated with Y, Y belongs to B. In this case, Y is called the image of X. Y is called the image of X and X is called the pre-image of Y. Y is called image of X. Okay, and X is called pre-image of Y. This is the definition. If A to B, be a function, if the elements X belongs to A corresponds to Y belongs to B under the function f, then we said Y is the image of X under f and written as Y is equal to fx, and X is the image of Y. Okay. Next, domain, codomain and range. Domain, codomain and range. What is domain, what is codomain and range? Function from A to B by f. Okay. All the elements of set A is called domain and all the elements of set B is called codomain, and the elements which are associated elements of B which are associated the elements of A, that elements are called range. So this part, suppose this part is associated with the elements of A, so this is range. So from this diagram what we can say, range is the subset of codomain. Range is the subset of codomain. So f A to B is a function, be a function. The set A is called the domain and set B is called the codomain. Set B is called the codomain. The subset of B containing the image elements of A is called the range of the function. So note here, range is subset of codomain. Okay. Range is subset of codomain. And another thing, function is nothing but a relation. So function is a subset of relation and relation is subset of A cross B. If f A to B is there, f is a function from A to B. So what we can say, function is a subset of relation and relation is a subset of A cross B. Okay. Next, see type of functions. Type of functions. What are the type of functions? First, constant function. A function f r to r, real number to real number, such that fx is equal to k. K is any constant. K is any constant. Suppose y is equal to fx, that is equal to 2. Y is equal to fx, that is equal to c, etc. That type of function is called constant function. Okay. These are called constant function. And here, domain is what? Domain is r, and range. What is the range? Range we can say whatever the constant, that is k. That is the constant function. Okay. A function f r to r, identity function. A function r f to r, x, fx is equal to x, that is what? Y is equal to x. And if we draw the graph of this constant function, this is also a straight line which is parallel to x axis. Okay. And if we draw this is a line which is passes through the origin and divides the first quadrant and third quadrant equally, that is y is equal to x. Here the range, domain is equal to range is equal to r, real number. Domain is equal to range is equal to r. Okay. Modulus function. What is modulus function? Modulus function, a function f r to r such that fx is equal to modulus x. Fx is equal to what? Modulus x. That is called modulus function. Fx is equal to modulus x. And what is the definition of modulus x? Means what? That is y is equal to modulus x. Whatever the values of x, y is always positive. Y is always positive. Y cannot be negative. So if you draw the graph will be coming this way. This way. This is the modulus function. Y is equal to x. Y is equal to minus x. Okay. 0. X, y, minus x. Y dash, x dash, y dash. Okay. This is the modulus function. So range is equal to what? Domain is equal to domain. Domain is r. Range what? R plus. Okay. With 0, union of 0. 0 will be there. Signum function. What is signum function? A function f r to r such that fx is equal to modulus x by x, such that x not equal to 0. When x not equal to 0, modulus x by x, and when x is equal to 0, then 0. So fx is equal to 1, x is greater than 0, is 0, x is equal to 0, and minus 1, x is less than 1. So that time domain is what? Domain is r, and range, what is range? Range is nothing but 1, 0, minus 1. What are the values? Whatever we take x, always 1, 0, minus 1. That's why range is equal to 0, 1, minus 1 range. Next is polynomial function. What is polynomial function? See, a function f r to r such that fx is equal to a naught a1x a2x square plus dot 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 plus a n x to the power n. That is polynomial function. It may be quadratic function, it may be linear function. All functions are polynomial. Linear function, quadratic function, cubic function. Okay, these are polynomial function. This is a polynomial of degree n. A naught, a1, a2, an are the constants, the coefficients of each terms, and called the polynomial function. Rational function, a function f r to r such that fx is equal to px by q, rational number p by q, q not equal to 0, q not equal to 0, that condition. So these are all algebraic functions. Fx is equal to a px by qx, px and qx are algebraic function. Qx not equal to 0 is called a rational function. It is called a rational function. Okay. Next, odd function. What is odd function? If f of minus x is equal to minus fx, f of minus x is equal to minus fx, then that function is called odd function. As for example, fx is equal to x cube plus x. If replace x by minus x, f of minus x, then minus x whole cube plus minus x. So minus x cube minus x, minus we can take common. If we take minus common, then x cube plus x. This is nothing but again fx, so minus fx. So f of minus x is equal to minus fx. So fx is equal to x cube plus x is called odd function. This function is called odd function. Okay, this type of function where you get f of minus x is equal to fx, all functions are called odd functions. Even function, if f of minus x is equal to x, if we replace x by minus x, then also same thing, the result will become same. That function are called even function. The function are called even function. As for example, we are taking fx is equal to x square plus 2. So f minus x is replaced by minus x, so minus x whole square plus 2, that is x square plus 2 fx. So fx is equal to x square plus 2 is an even function. Okay. Next, algebra of function. What is the algebra of function? f plus gx, f plus gx is equal to fx plus gx, f minus gx, fx minus gx. Alpha is any constant, alpha f into x, so alpha fx, f into g x, we can do fx into gx, f by gx, fx by gx. As for example, if we take fx is equal to x square plus 2 and gx is equal to 3x minus 2, then fx, find the f plus gx, find f plus gx, then what to write? F plus gx, f plus gx is equal to what? Fx plus gx. Fx is what? X square plus 2 plus 3x minus 2gx. So what will get? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, so x square plus 3x. This is the answer. In this way you have to find out the solution. Okay, I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear your concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.